Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data encryption plan with Thales, detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a data encryption plan with Thales involves several key steps. Begin by identifying the types of sensitive data your organization handles. This includes personal information, financial records, and proprietary data. Next, assess the regulatory requirements applicable to your industry. Understanding compliance obligations will guide your encryption strategy. Now, select the appropriate Thales encryption solution for your needs. Thales offers a variety of encryption products tailored for different applications. Review options like data at rest encryption, data in transit encryption, and tokenization. Once you've chosen a solution, define your encryption policies. Determine which data must be encrypted, who has access, and how encryption keys will be managed. Implement a key management strategy as part of your overall plan. Thales provides robust key management solutions to simplify this process. Next, integrate the encryption solution into your existing systems. Deploy the Thales solution in a test environment to address any potential issues. After testing, roll out the encryption solution across your organization. Training staff on the importance of data encryption is crucial. Ensure employees understand how to manage sensitive data securely. Regularly review and update your encryption plan to adapt to new threats. Stay informed about advancements in encryption technologies and compliance requirements. Finally, conduct audits to validate that your encryption measures are effective. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive data encryption plan with Thales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.